What made you think about wanting to use this particular process as far as communication?
Well, in a previous job that I'd worked before, we always used call and echo because you didn't have sight of the other person at all times. Working upper and lower bay, oil changes, stuff of that nature. We always used that to communicate that everybody was clear, that nobody had their fingers and fan belts or anything like that, and everything was buttoned up and ready to go.
Since you've been using it here, what's the biggest advantage that you've seen?
The biggest advantage that I see is just it helps you coordinate your work. I mean, once you're calling out, one command and he's echoing or vice versa, you know what the other is thinking, and also you know where they're at.